Hello, welcome to Unboxing with Bill. My name is Bill Hirschinger. I am the Director of Engineering at Standard Electric. Today we have a special guest from Electri-Flex, Tyler Knopp.
Yeah.
He's all the way from Dubuque today.
Yeah, drove up this morning.
So how long have you been with Electri-Flex?
It'll be coming up on 3 years in January.
My goodness. So what you bring with us today?
Well, I'll let you do the honors here.
It looks like a box.
Yep.
I didn't bring my handy knife today because I was traveling and I didn't reload my my bag up with all my
All right,
illegal stuff. So I do have a old school scissors.
Yeah.
And I do run around the office with this thing, baby. It's a nice one. So hopefully I didn't carve up too much stuff in here when I'm doing this. I don't think I cut my leg yet either. Ooh, blue.
Yeah, look at that.
This looks like food grade, maybe.
It is absolutely some food grade.
We got a bunch of goodies in here.
Oh yeah. I even brought this here for you.
Ooh, styrofoam. I like to know the purpose. Yeah, okay, let's get that out of there. Very nice.
American made? American made?
American made foam for your, see, in Wisconsin, we don't need these because we drink them fast enough.
That's my line I usually use.
So what do we have here today, Tyler?
Yeah, so we're going to talk a little bit today about our food and beverage market that we support. So we have some liquid type by Electri-Flex. So we have 6 different types here with us, but they're not all the same. Even though they might look all the same, they're definitely not all the same.
So all this is all different, every one of these?
Yes.
Well, tell me.
Yep. So I'm going to start first with our LAFG. So this LAFG, it is a UL listed product, CSA certified, RoHS and WEEE compliant, and it has a steel core, and then within the convolutions of that steel core, it has a copper ground. The jacket on this is antimicrobial. So there's 3 things about this jacket. It's a high visibility jacket, antimicrobial, and it has a wide temperature range, -30°C all the way up to 105°C. Okay, and then the next version is our stainless steel option. This is currently not UL listed, but it still has the same features and benefits as the steel version. This next version it has a non-metallic core. This non-metallic core also has a nylon braided jacket for strength, and then we have the antimicrobial jacket on this as well. Okay, and then you can get the steel and the stainless steel and white. That is a version as well, and those are both antimicrobial as well. And then this is the white version of it, the same core, and then we have a stainless steel with a clear jacket, and then we just have a pure non-metallic version as well. You can also get this in white. You can get these in white, just like this, and it is also.
And it's the same thing. Okay, this has the non-metallic.
That is a non-metallic.
And then you
version.
have this is not the stainless, is it?
That is that's just the regular
That's
steel.
just the regular
mild
steel.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So basically the same thing, depending on what that customer would like.
Correct.
Is this antimicrobial as well?
This non-metallic white version is not an antimicrobial. This one here is a food grade, but not necessarily antimicrobial.
Okay. So I'd like to thank you, Tyler, for stopping by, and don't forget to contact our account managers, get more information. Again, thank you for attending Unboxing with Bill, and have a great day.